Ayubowan. Hi guys, I'm Ash. I'm the PMGY country director for Sri Lanka, and today I'm going to take you guys to give a house tour where you guys staying here. Welcome to the London house. Please come. So this is our main entrance in the London house. So when we're doing the projects in the morning or in the afternoon, this is where our volunteers wait until their transportation comes. So we have a little bit chilling area. We have some tuk-tuk parks always for their transportation. Please come in. So this is London house. So this is our first floor, ground floor. This is where the coordinators, the team or volunteers a little bit hang around, chill around, having chats. Please follow me guys, I will take you to one of our room. Please come. This is one of our volunteers accommodation. It's a one room with like 12 beds. So we have like communal areas to hang around, have a seat. And yeah, this way you have a nice sunset in the evening. Let's go to the first floor guys. So this is our main communal area. So this is where we'll have like international satellite television, office, and we have some common bathrooms in this floor, as well as this is our water filter. So in Sri Lanka, always in the accommodation, we recommend you guys to have the filtered water. In the London house, we have few fridges, so volunteers can share that to locate their foods and drinks. Most of the time they bring from the supermarkets and they allocate it in the fridge, and it's shared basis. And different floors have different types of fridges available. Please come, I will show you guys how one of our room look like. So this is one of our room. We have 11 beds here. So it's basic but comfortable. We have bunk beds and we have given cupboards, and more importantly, we have given lockers for volunteers. So everybody who's arriving to the volunteer accommodation, we providing them lockers, which is we highly recommending to have the lockers for them. Sharing basis cupboards, mirrors, mosquito nets, especially people worry about the mosquitoes, so mosquito nets. And each room in volunteer accommodation, doesn't matter even in the peak time or usual time, even if busy or not, each room have an air conditioned facility. So all volunteers have the air conditioned facility in the rooms. Bathrooms are always sharing basis, and there are some bathrooms in suite to the room. All bathrooms and toilets are in Western condition. And welcome to the PMGY Sri Lanka office. The coordinators are always approachable, and by myself and my family, like we're living in this house as well, so volunteers have the capability to talk to us, meet us at any time. The office is open for you guys 24 hours. So this is some kind of leaving messages from our lovely volunteers. And welcome to the rooftop. So this is where we count as our main communal area also. All the meals are on the buffet format. We have sisters who helping them. And then you can have inside, outside, and this is a little bit garden area. We have sharing bathrooms and toilets here, as well as there's one cabin separated for the laundry service. So guys, in this rooftop, again, we have a few bathrooms and toilets in the sharing basis. So most of them are bathrooms and toilets, and also volunteers have the opportunity to get their washing done by themselves. We're providing them buckets, and this is the place that usually volunteers do their laundry by themselves. Or otherwise, we have a laundry service facility where a company come to collect their laundry clothes, and then after the laundry service, they're returning it back in 48 hours. The both facilities are available. Thank you very much for watching guys, and I'm looking forward to have you guys with us. Thank you.